Welcome to the 2-Minute Tech. In this episode, we will install a Downflow Economizer in the Renaissance commercial platform with DDC controls. The Economizer kit includes the damper assembly, hood sections, enthalpy sensor, and Honeywell DDC Economizer controller. We will cover the configuration of the DDC Economizer in another video. Remove the air filter access panel and lower cover. Remove the return access panel. Lift and set the Economizer damper assembly into the cabinet. Attach the left and right hand side hood panels using 4 screws on each side. Mount the outdoor air enthalpy sensor to the damper housing using the provided screws. A label indicates the correct location of the sensor. Locate the light tan and black wires. Cut the heat shrink to expose each of the connectors. Connect the light tan wire to the negative terminal. Connect the black wire to the positive terminal. Install the hood divider panel between the two sides using 3 screws on each side. Install the angled ring cap across the top of the Economizer, securing with 1 screw on each side. Using the lower air filter access panel previously removed, set it on top of the hood sides and slide it up under the ring cap. Secure with screws at the top edge only. Install the fresh air intake filters into the opening of the hood and attach the upper filter support rail to the bottom edge of the hood panel, securing with 3 screws. Secure the Economizer controller mount to the top of the Economizer assembly. Locate the Economizer control cable with a 4-pin Molex plug. This has 4 wires, white, purple, red, and brown. Connect this to the 4-pin connector at the lower right side of the Honeywell Economizer controller. The white wire goes on top. Locate the Economizer wiring harness with the 12-pin Molex connector. Disconnect the 3-wire jumper plug. Save this as it will be used in the next step. Connect the 12-pin male Molex plug to the 12-pin female Molex connector on the top of the Economizer damper assembly. At the side of the Economizer damper assembly, connect the 3-wire jumper plug to the 12-pin male Molex connector located next to the motorized actuator. The jumper plug will not be used if an optional factory smoke detector is installed. Reinstall all access panels. The installation of the DDC Economizer is now complete. See a follow-up video for programming the DDC Economizer and one on the Economizer commissioning. This concludes this episode of the 2-Minute Tech.